Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what basic things you need to make YouTube videos through phone. So let's begin. First you need tripod. This is the basic thing you need to have to capture good videos, which you can get starting from 250 rupees. This is my Bluetooth tripod which I just bought from Amazon. I will just share details below this video, please check out. Along with this tripod you will get mobile stand which is good for small screen mobiles. But as you can see, I am using Note 10 Plus, which is very much big, so it doesn't fit. So I bought another mobile stand which is big, and you can even fit even iPad in it, and this is very durable actually. So let me set up this quickly and show you how does it work. This is my Bluetooth remote, which is very good to use. So let me on this thing and pair it up quickly with my phone. So now it's paired up, and you can see that I can capture video and images using my remote. Now the second basic thing is mic. So you can just see this is Boya mic, which I am just using this from very much beginning. This is the leather pouch which I got. The quality is very good. It is 3.5 mm jack, so you can just connect this to any mobile phone. And this is the mic. In this budget, actually I will tell you, this is the best mic you can get. The mic you can even use with DSLR cameras. So there is a button. If you move to upside, you can use with cameras, and downside you can use with mobile phones. Check this wire length guys, they have given. It is very useful while making videos, and even the wire quality is very good. It is very handy. You can put this in this pouch and you can carry it easily anywhere. Now the third basic thing which is very important is video editor. The app name is Vita. This app I am using for my personal use. Click new project. Let me select a video. This is my son's video. He is dancing actually. So let me quickly edit this. First I will show you how to split and trim the video. Then you can change the speed of the video. Let me add a song quick from my phone. Then let's some add effect to this video. You can see there is an option named PIP, picture in picture video effect, in which you can add videos in your current video. Let me select file quick. You can see now. If you want, you can apply some filters, but I don't do this normally. Then you can adjust the volume of the video. Set the video according to your use, the ratio, the video of the ratio. Then change the resolution to Full HD 1080. And you can see there is an option in this app where you can remove the watermark of Vita from your video. Actually, this is the only app I find they are offering this option, which is good. Now save the video, and here you can see the output. Now guys, finally, if you want to edit little more professional, then if you are using MacBook, then you can use iMovie app, which is very good and handy. Then if you are using some Windows laptop, then you can use Filmora app, but the free edition is not that much good, so you need to buy the paid version, in which you can edit the videos. Whereas in MacBook they are offering you free app iMovie, which is like paid version. It is very good. So in this, now you can see have added video. Then you can add some music to it, the sound effects you can add. Then finally you can add some titles. It is very easy to use actually. So guys, this is it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Even if you have any doubts, please comment. I will answer all your questions. Thank you.